Hey there, I'm Katie Johnson, the Special Projects Manager here at Sabre Limited. I wanted to share a quick tip today about a fantastic feature in Business Central for sales quotes. Recently, during a training session, I came across an interesting scenario. My client didn't want to create a new customer for every sales quote because, let's face it, not every quote is for an existing customer or someone who's ready to commit. It got me thinking. I've definitely heard this question before. Why not make a quick tutorial to help others out? So let's dive in. Alright, so the first step in this process would be to create the contact. Now, contacts are different from customers in Business Central. To access them, I'm just going to search for contacts and click that list page. It's going to open up the list page for contacts. I'm going to create a new contact. The contact name, for instance, let's say Rupert. It is a company, not just a person. You have the ability to enter in like a lot more information here if needed. Again, we can add in the address. So for the instances of this demonstration, I'm going to do that. Sure. Okay, and an email, Pug, Rupert. Rupert is, in fact, my pug. So she has placed an order, or she wants to get a quote. So we're going to exit out of this customer card, and we're going to go into sales, and then sales quotes. Going into sales quotes, we're going to do a new sales quote. And now typically, if you were doing a sales quote for a customer, you would enter in their customer number here. Because we don't want to do it for a customer, we want to limit the amount of customers that are in the system. We're going to do it for a contact number. Now, I'm just going to expand this. Look for Rupert. Perfect. Pug Rupert. Essentially, it just allocates the posting groups to this contact. So if we were to create it as a customer, that information would then transfer over. And again, we're just going to go, let's say they would like some lamps and some support. So the order or the quote is for 25 lamps and 2 hours of support. Have the ability to add some more information here, but to keep it simple, we're just going to stick with this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to send this quote by email. I mean, I could print it, I could attach it as a PDF, but for the case of this, we're going to send it by email. Okay, and then I would just send that email. All right, so let's say some time has passed. Rupert is very interested. She has accepted this quote. What I would then do is I would transfer this sales quote to a sales order the same way I would a regular sales quote. So we're just going to make order. Do we want to convert to an order? Yes. Do you want to create customers? Because Rupert is technically not a customer yet. She is a contact. So we're going to say yes. The customer has now been created. The quote has now been converted to an order. Do you want to open that order? So let's just go and take a look at that. Perfect. So this customer is now Rupert. I could allocate a contact under the customer name of Rupert. I can also go in and adjust their customer card. So if I wanted to adjust any of this information, I could. If their name was not actually Rupert, that was just the contact, I can say Rue the Pug is the company name. And I can then assign a contact to this customer under the name of Rupert. So that kind of covers how to create a sales quote for a contact, not a customer. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like this video, Follow our channel and check out some more videos just like this one. If you have any questions, suggestions, or ideas for future content, please let us know in the comments, and thank you for watching.